In a land of morning, calm and sky, people had voices but words would not fly. Thoughts in their hearts, stories untold, dreams locked away in silence and cold.
The king looked up at the endless night, stars whispering secrets of sound and light. He heard the cries no wing could write, and promised to bring their voices to life.
Not with swords, not with war, but with letters never seen before. From sound to light, from voice to sign, he gave the world a way to ride. A song became words, a spark became flames. Sejong the Great, remember the name.
Arirang, Arirang, Arario. Across the hills of time we go.
Shapes of the mouth and breath and tongue turned into letters for everyone. From farmer's field to scholar's hall, the smallest voice could reach them all.
No more silence, no more night. Every child could learn to write. A simple gift yet shining bright. A revolution made of light.
Not for power, not for fame, but so the world could write its name. From sound to light, from voice to sign, he gave the world a way to ride. A song became words, a spark became flames. Sejong the Great, remember the name.
He didn't conquer distant lands. He placed the future in our hands.
28 letters, clear and true. A universe born for me and you. From sound to light, across all time, a gift to every humankind. A song became words, the world took flight. Sejong, Arirang, from sound to
Now every voice can finally